Boom! What up? JBA garage out here, dude. What do we got going on?
Don't even come over here, bro. It's not going to.
Are we trying to swap out the manual transmission into the Yada? And then we're getting into some N54 stuff today. Right here, my 135. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys. Coil pack's coming out. Problem that I ran into is that when I just lift this right here, it's supposed to slide out, but it doesn't for me. Easy fix for that. You just kind of pinch the sides and put some force on it, and it should just pop and slide right out. Just like that. Pretty easy. So now I'm gonna do it for all 6.
Champ! Yeah, get those paws out of there, dude. Who runs boss anymore? Come on. Nobody does. Delphi's are down.
Alright guys, so I just unclipped all the coil packs, so now I'm going to show you the easiest way to get them out. So, little tip that I picked up from Jake Spence. Jake Spence is the man. What you're going to do is you're going to take an extension like that, and basically what you want to do is slide it through just like that to get a little leverage. And then you just want to yank, and that bitch should just come out just like that. Yes sir. Alright, give you an update when they're all out, and when the plugs are out too. Spark plug's super easy to get out. All you got to do is just get the thin wall socket on the extension and just take them out. So yeah, check back in a few.
The remote start on the fucking come on, dumb ass.
Alright guys, torquing the last spark plug down. You don't really need to torque spark plugs, but I like to do it just in case. 17 foot-pounds for the N54 spark plug.
Well, that's a job well done right there, Chief. Time to put the
Coil packs
in. There you go, the non-pop spec ones, and
yes, sir.
She'll be running in no time.
Hey yo, update time. The coil packs and spark plugs are in. Yes sir. And while I was at it, I did a quick little oil change. Also installed this Euro, I don't know how to say it, aluminum oil cap and cage. Something I've been wanting to do for a while because the stock plastic one could be prone to cracking. This dude, yes sir. All right, we're about to start it up in a sec, and a little check up on the homie right here on his.
Things are going much better, dude. The fucking trans is in.
Manual trans is in on the yacht.
Who the flying fuck? Wait.
He almost hit y'all.
No. Come look.
What?
John, I'm staining.
I just noticed this.
You're staining your.
I don't know how long it's been there for.
What?
There's just a nut chilling on the control arm.
That's kind of funny though.
Oh, check that out. Nice, dude. All right. So next up, honestly, I'm just going to. I got to do the hood struts because I mean they're kind of fine right now, but I've had them close on me before. So I picked up some brand new ones right here from FCP. You already know what it is. I also got a front and rear hood latch cable because mine's kind of fucked. And it doesn't open, but I'm probably gonna make separate videos on that. So yeah, I'll get back to you when I start the car up.
What am I now?
What's the progress, dude?
Just a lot of bullshit.
Looks like it's made it upright and everything though.
I don't know.
Yeah guys, But he's 440 in the garage. And yeah, this is my 135, guys. I got big plans for this car. So yeah, I'm super excited. Downpipe install, downpipes coming soon and everything. And yeah, if you want to see more of that shit, like and subscribe, please. It would mean a lot. All right, JBA Garage. Till next time. Peace.